A very good morning to the respected directors, ma'am, principal, ma'am, teachers, and our dear students. Today's morning assembly is going to be conducted by students of class 6B, and the theme for today's assembly is digital learning tools for the students. The COVID 19 has resulted in schools shut down all across the world. Globally, 1.2 billion children are out of the classroom. As a result, education has changed dramatically with the distinctive rise of e learning, whereby teaching is undertaken remotely and on digital platforms. Researchers suggest that online learning has been shown to increase retention of information and take less time, meaning the changes coronavirus have caused might be here to stay. In response to the significant demand, many digital tools are being adopted by the schools and the institutions, such as the Google Meet, the WhatsApp, WebEx, Zoom, and many more. While some people believe that unplanned and rapid move to online learning with no training and insufficient bandwidth can result in poor experiences, while others believe that a new hybrid and model of education will emerge with significant benefits. We believe that the integration of information technology in education will be further accelerated and that online education will eventually become an integral component of schools education. Let's begin with today's assembly. Join your hands and close your eyes for the Hindi prayer.
Close your eyes, get ready of Hindi prayer. Start. हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम, हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम, तेरे बच्चे हम हो सच्चे, हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम, हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम, पढ़ लिख के योग्य बनेंगे, काम करेंगे नहीं डरेंगे, हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम, हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम, नित्य बढ़ेंगे बड़े चलेंगे दो वरदान, हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम, हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम, हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम, हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम, तेरे बच्चे हम हो सच्चे, हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम, हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम, पढ़ लिख के योग्य बनेंगे, काम करेंगे नहीं डरेंगे, हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम, हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम, नित्य बढ़ेंगे बढ़ चलेंगे दो वरदान, हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम, हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम.
Ready for English prayer. Father, we thank you for the night and for the pleasant morning light, for recent food and loving care, and for all that makes the world so fair. Father, we thank you for the night and for the pleasant morning light, for recent food and loving care, and for all that makes the world so fair. Help us to do things we should, to be to others kind and good. In all we do, in all we say, to grow more loving every day. Thank you.
Stars. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and wide heritage. I shall strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect to my parents, teachers and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country, all my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being, prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Good morning. Today the thought of the day is smile and silence are two powerful tools. Smile solves our all problems and silence keep our all problems at the bay. Thank you.
Hi everyone, myself Ojasvi Singh of class 6B. So today I am going to speak few words on the topic digital learning tools for students. Digital learning is replacing traditional educational methods more and more each day. With how rapidly classrooms are changing, learning tools and technology enable students to develop effective self directed learning skills. They are able to identify what they need to learn, find and use online resources, apply the information on the problem at hand, and even evaluate resultant feedback. This increases their efficiency and productivity in addition to engaging students. Digital learning tools and technology sharpen critical thinking, develop skills, and much more. Children who explore open ended questions will imagination and logic learning how to make decisions as opposed to just temporarily memorizing the textbooks. Students using digital learning tools and technology become more engaged in the process and more interested in growing their knowledge base. They may not even realize that they are actively learning since they are learning through engaging methods such as peer education, teamwork, problem solving, reverse teaching, concept maps, gamification, staging, role playing, and storytellings. The inclusion of digital learning in the classrooms can vary from simply using tablets instead of paper to use elaborate software programs and equipment as a best to the simple.
Ready for Mass PT? Exercise number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Get ready for national anthem. जनगण मन अधिनायक जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तिरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाए तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगल दायक जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता जय है जय है जय है जय 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 है